Hello and welcome everyone. This is my channel, The Lovely Turkey, and I am in one of those parks in Antalya. I believe it's called Düden. If I said it right, that's good. If not, please correct me in the comments. If you know Turkish though. It's beautiful, people hanging out, dogs and cats as well. Taking a picture of a cat. Çok güzel. You can see fogs going on over there. So much. Such a beauty. You see this blue path is only for bicycles, supposedly, but people are walking more than bicycles in here. Such a beautiful day, beautiful weather, not too hot and not too cold. It's just an amazing area to walk for running, exercising, if you like to do those kind of stuff. A lot of people here are for working out and walking long distances at least, or running long distances. We'll walk this way to see the beach again. Look how the cliff of that mountain. This guy in front of me was taking a picture of that cat earlier. That cat was blind, I found out. It was interesting. That's why it wasn't moving a lot. But it sensed him. See how crazy this is? They just run into each other. You can have picnics if you want to eat. I guess they put some chairs as well. I hope you guys can hear me even though I'm talking as loud as I can, because I don't have my microphone on me this time. Some steps. I like the view of the beach. It's just so nice. You can see the horizons all the way. Back on this track with a little tiny bridge. Some people walking for working out and for exercising. It's good to lose some weight and shed some sweat. Antalya Turkey, that means Antalya Fish House. Or it literally says. If you can see the sign right there, Antalya Turkey. Antalya's Fish House. I guess you can buy fishes there. It looks like more of a restaurant. There's some little area for kids to play, swings. I'm gonna get closer. I got closer now. You can see some of the kids are having fun with their parents. And the signs here says Juchuk Oyun Alani. I think I read it right, I hope. It is a fun place to be. Check out this area. Some dead plants and weeds, but that doesn't matter. What matters is the beautiful view beyond this area. I'll leave with this natural noises, not my voice. Area to stay, to hang out, walk around, run, use a bicycle, I guess. Anything you like to enjoy your moment with this beautiful weather in Antalya. Here's some little workout machine, looks like. I didn't expect that. That's interesting. And it's something you use your own weight. You sit on it and you lift yourself. That's it. Simple. Using your own weight workouts. Wow, look, you got a bicycle. You got some kind of treadmill. Look like some type of treadmill. And there's two people. Oops, see? There's a little hole. I didn't see that. Thankfully, I'm okay. Something for the, I'm not sure what that is. It looks like it rotates. I'm not sure what it do. Here's something for your legs. Also using your own weight. So if you're lightweight, you'll be lucky. If you're fat, then you'll have a hard time to pick up yourself. There's more of them. And here's another leg workout machine. More like a step. More of it here. Seesaw for adults. It's another workout machine. I'm not sure how that works. I guess they push each other up. Yeah, you push yourself away. I guess you don't push your partner, but you push yourself. From how it works. Another one here. This is interesting. I've never seen this in a park or anything like it. I'm gonna go down here and see what I can show you guys. Big area. I just have to go step down and walk from here. It's a tiny bridge. Look at this beautiful view, mashallah. Amazing. I guess this is a step area for people who wants to commit suicide. I hope you guys don't do that. Little spot to sit and chill, drink tea or coffee. This is amazing. There's more walking areas down there. I think there's some waterfalls, but I'm not sure if I'm walking the right way or if it's the opposite side from where I'm walking at. But look at this, such an amazing area to be at. Just had to use some steps. I went up from there, and you can get closer to the water area. There's some kids learning some ballerina stuff, I guess. Such an amazing area. So I'm doing the right way, thankfully. I don't have to walk the other side. You can walk here and look at the water up close. This beautiful body of water. Hopefully we don't slide in. This is amazing. Look at these big rocks. People are fishing over there. Look at this, so cool. Such a cool place to hang out and fish. I didn't expect people to be down here. But how did they do it? I don't see a way to walk there, all the way there. Interesting. How did they walk there? I just had to go from a different angle to see how did they make it down there. There's about 4 people doing some fishing. I guess they risked their life to do some fish. To get some of them, huh? Interesting. Risky to walk through this. Long walk to walk toward this area to see this beautiful spot. It's like a stage of some sort. They say the waterfalls should be on my way there somewhere. But here's the beach again. I feel like I want to jump in and swim because it got hot for me. You know, these people don't look like they're sweating except myself. I'm the only one who's sweating like crazy. Look at this. You could do your artwork profession here if you have some type of crazy cool talents, I guess, and people can watch you if you want to dance, sing, whatever. I'm not sure, but I'm just using my imagination right now. But look at this place. Or maybe you can get 2 people and fight. I hope that's not gonna happen. Look at these buildings. Looks like they're old homes. They might be expensive to rent or to live in, but they're right across from this beach with a beautiful view. Clear skies, beautiful air, but it's hot for me right now. Amazing. Went up from that hill down there to this walk path. The closer I get, the more beautiful it becomes to these mountains there. And I'm assuming, according to the 2 people I asked about the waterfalls, they said it's right there somewhere. So hopefully we can enjoy it together. Let's not keep walking. Enjoy these views, the trees, and of course the most beautiful area, the sea. There's another kid's place to play, and some dogs barking at people. But get this out. Check this out, guys. These dogs are actually taking care of the baladia of this country, which I'm saying basically baladia means the government. They have tags on their ears for each single dog who are living in the street to be taken care of. And the little markets, restaurants, they'll drop foods for those dogs. They're not gonna bite or anything, but if you look closely, I'm gonna try to get close to this dog, but in the other ear, you'll see a green tag. You see that? But he won't let me see that. Every single dog has something like that. Imagine that, isn't that crazy? They can be checked, I'm not sure for how often, but they can get checked to see if they're healthy and so on. You can get some ice cream. There's some restaurant there, cafe, barista, similar to Starbucks. Even though there is Starbucks here, but there's a lot of competitors here like Starbucks. Food of Lara restaurant over there. That pinkish orange color. I like that simple designs they made. Maraba. People here are not like in United States. If you want to say hi to them, they're not gonna say hi back. They're just gonna look at you like crazy or try to walk faster, so they don't respond to you. They might think you wanna, beg them for money or something, because there's a lot of these type of people, and they're not wanted by the city councils. If they're captured by the police, they'll be arrested. So do not try to come to Turkey to live your life as a beggar asking for money and help, because that's not gonna work. Because everybody is taken care of in here somehow, some way. Okay, I should be close to the waterfall somewhere along the way here. The Turkish people here, they don't look like I was thinking, but don't look at me as a racist way, but it's just only from my ignorance way of thinking. I would thought the Turkish looked like more of an Arab looks, more like Lebanese, Syrian look. But most of them look like Europeans, like British or Americans, really light skin, blonde hair, blue eyes, green eyes. Some look like more of an Italians. Even though there's a lot of Russians comes to this city in Antalya, Russians, German, but of course those I can tell they are not Turkish because of the language, because they won't speak English nor Turkish, but their own language only. And I don't know how they make it through the city of Antalya or anywhere in Turkey, specifically in this area, especially because most of them are in these areas, because this city of Antalya is considered as a touristic area. A lot of tourists come to the city. You won't really see much of business trades here, but simple restaurants, hotels, and so on. Here's a statue of a bull made out of steel. Looks interesting. The Turkish language I found out is really interesting language. It is complicated like in Arabic language. A word can be changed to so many ways just to express it, to express your situation of the story. Okay, I can hear some waterfalls. I hope I'm close to it. Okay, I'll try not to record some of those people, especially people who seem to be not comfortable when they see cameras. If you want some cotton candy, you see that guy with the long pink stick, go there, get some. They're cheap. You'll have to know the language, of course. Otherwise, they'll try to overcharge you if they think you're a tourist or not from the country where you don't know the prices. So they'll try to maybe charge you like 5 times or 6 times the actual price. Even if they did that, the price will be still cheap. But you still don't want to get to that point. Here's another workout areas. This one looks more unique, nicer coloring, black and green and silver or gray. Some people doing some dips. You see this little bike, pull-up bar, a lot of workout spots. This is interesting. Grass looks good. Companies who would take care of the grass will come at least once in a while to take care of the grass. They don't seem to be like they take care of the weed. They just cut it and leave. Maybe because it's just public area, but I'm not sure about, personal places or private areas. I don't know it yet. I'm learning this area with you guys. And just please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos since I'm new to YouTube world. I hope you guys support me and make me feel better by making more videos and making more going to more interesting spots. As you can tell from my voice, I'm sometimes getting nervous with that. And I'm not even showing myself. Okay, that's the water I was hearing. That's amazing. I'm walking from the side. Let me walk from the bridge instead. Amazing. See that dancing guy. Here I am, other side of the waterfall. You can see it from the lines there. All that from between the trees. Amazing. It looks like I'm the only one on this side. I'll walk it here. Waterfall finally arrived to it. Ladies and gentlemen, watch this waterfall. We'll go from here. Look at that. Such an amazing place to see. I was watching it from the back side, and I finally got to see it from the front. I love this place. I'll sit here for days and years and generations. Such a beautiful place. I'm losing more of the views. I'm in a different angle. I was over there earlier to see this waterfall again. Such an amazing place to be.